Ayan. Wow, very pretty and charming. Little girl. I like your hair dress. Come here, baby. What is your name?
Janisha ay mga po.
Janisha, kapatid mo yung isa. No? Talaga naman si baby o todo, kaway at suporta. So, kuya mo yon?
Opo.
Wow! So si kuya, magaling kumanta. Ikaw, anong gagawin ni baby?
Dadance po.
Dance. Ang ganda naman. Sinong gumawa nitong attire mo?
Si Mami po.
Si Mami. So ready ka na ba? Ipakita yung dance mo sa kanila?
Opo.
Isa namang magandang smile at isang opo na malakas ha. Are you ready?
Opo.
Alright, there you go for Janisha. There you go. Thank you very much, Janisha. Come here, baby. Thank you. I enjoyed naman your dance. At talaga namang nandun pa si kuya at nagko-coach sa'yo. Thank you, baby. You did a very, very good job. Thank you. Alright, that is our second female contestant. May I now call on our third female contestant.